Todd Morey, our good friend from, geez, when was that? Late 90s when you were hanging around Super Dirt Week and everything?
Yeah. Syracuse, rolling wheels. Yep.
All that good stuff.
All kinds of good times.
Yeah, search and you'll hear stories, and most of them are probably true. So,
yes.
Swagger Factory Apparel is what he is doing. He is at Super Dirt Week. I made sure to run this for you on Thursday night, so it's time to get here. How has business been?
Yeah, good. So we're actually really busy today. Yesterday was kind of nasty with weather, with a little bit of rain and wind, and had a couple of sales yesterday, but honestly, today's been really good. Tomorrow's probably going to be even better. A lot of people say they're coming back. They're busy. So they'll be back, and we had a line earlier, and then you rolled up.
There you go. Perfect timing then.
There you go.
What are they buying? Are they suits, gloves,
suits.
helmets?
So we've done a few gloves, few shoes, mostly suits, custom stuff.
Okay.
Got them all measured up. We have 23 points of measurement we do for a fire suit.
Okay.
And so it takes me about 8 to 9 minutes to measure somebody, make the financial deal, figure out, payments, what they want to do. We do a payment structure if people want to do that.
Okay.
Try to spread them out a little bit so it's not all at once. Yep.
And everything pretty much from head to toe?
Yeah, so we're working on a helmet deal. We don't have one yet.
Okay.
Helmets are next, but shoes, suit, gloves, we do hoodies and things like that as well.
All right, now they're right here, by the way, so if you notice, there's the actual merchandise trailer for Dirt. That is right there, so they're right as you come in, right where the split is, basically. If you're coming
right at the entrance here, yep.
Yeah, good location, really, isn't it?
I can't hear you.
Good location, right?
Oh, this is the best one we've had yet. Last year we were over here, but now you come down pit road, you see us. So I like it, love the spot.
Are we done racing, or are we going to race again?
I've been racing a long time, so I can't hear. Go ahead.
I like that. So you're not done then? You will be racing again at some point?
Yeah, we'll race again at some point. Got to focus on the business first.
Sure.
Once we get that built up, I'll drive something again at some point.
All right, so make sure to stop in, guys. Tell them Doug sent you. You'll get your very special deal. Always good to see you, man. And I remember you were 16 way back in the day when we used to run into you. So I'm so glad that things worked out for you. Again, make sure to check them out right here at Super Dirt Week. Good to see you as always, Todd. You take care of yourself, all right?
Appreciate you. Nice side-by-side.
I know, isn't that sweet, man? Thank you.